Okay, so I've gone ahead and shortened that wall. It kicked up an error and it said that some of the windows couldn't be drawn and then it deleted them. It was only two of them and I just recopied them. You know, it's very easy because we know we're on this 3 foot by 4 foot module. But I guess it's kind of a reminder. This is a bit of a hack as far a way of developing facades, but it's just a quick way to model things and start experimentation without having to go through all of the, I guess, the extra hassles of doing curtain wall elements. So let's go ahead now and go back to our baguette and just experiment with our first technique, and that's the visibility graphics. So I've selected that tile, and I'm going to hit the button in front of the visible for that tile. And I'm going to create a new visibility graphic. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to call this rib tiles. And I'm going to select visibility for the graphics. And I'm going to make sure it's an instance parameter because I want to be able to change them individually. And I'll click OK. We'll load that back into the project, overwrite the existing ones. And then if we go back to that terracotta view, and let's say I select one of these, now I have that rib tile choice. And if I click no, turn it off, I now have a window, or basically just an opening. So that's the first part of the technique of being able to manipulate this system. So now let's go ahead now and make a set of baguettes that could go over that window. So I'm going to go back to the tile itself, and we'll make a series of baguettes. So I'm going to go to create an extrusion again, and we'll use the rectangle tool. And I'm going to make all individual baguettes here to go across the window. So I'm just going to copy these over, and I'll do this a little bit randomly. Maybe I'll do the first three, and then I'll get over to this. Actually, it's hard to do this one, so I got to get exactly 8. I'll do this one, and then I'll do maybe the end one here. And remember, we want that the material to be that terracotta. And I'm going to complete the extruding of it. And we'll go to the exterior elevation again. And we're tiles over tiles, so it's a little confusing. So I'm going to stretch this up until it locks. And I'm going to pull this one up and pull it back again and then lock it to it. And we need to create a visibility graphic. So I'm going to go to visible. I'm going to click the little icon in front. And I'm going to go window baguettes. I'm going to create a new one. Oops. I think baguettes, I think I spelled that right. And it's a visibility parameter. And OK. And OK. Load into the project. Overwrite the existing version. We'll go to that terracotta view. And now we have these baguettes that are forming over the top. And I'll just take this tile here. It did not import the other parameter for that. So let me go on and see what's going on here. Let's go to our parameters and see if we have both of those parameters. We have both the ribbed and the window baguettes. Maybe we need to, I'm going to click apply, go OK. I'm going to load this back into the project. I'm going to overwrite the existing versions and its parameter values. And now they're all window baguettes, which is okay. We're going to change that anyway. But what I didn't do is import those parameter values. A nice kind of happy accident, right? Kind of a cool pattern. And we could actually just go in the opposite direction. I'm still not getting the read through of the 3 parameters. I think I'm going to have to start this over.